How to scan a book. The Shine Ultra can scan pages and then use our software algorithm to digitally flatten the pages so they appear to be flat instead of curved from the spine of the book. In this video, we will show you how to do this along with other tips. First, select color mode according to your needs. If you are scanning a text-only book, then we recommend black and white mode. After selecting the mode, click Facing Pages in Processing Method. In accordance with your needs, you can choose finger removal and auto page mending. After you've adjusted settings, spread the book on top of the black cushion. Before scanning, you should check several details to ensure the software can scan and flatten the pages correctly. 1. The black soft pad needs to fill the entire preview interface. 2. There should be no extra stuff on the black cushion. 3. Books need to be pressed into the pad as flat as naturally possible, but do not use excessive force. You don't want to damage the book's spine, and our scanners may accidentally distort the page anyway if it's pressed too hard. 4. The content of the pages need to appear correctly in the preview interface. After you've made the adjustments, you can begin scanning. Once the book is placed correctly, all you will need to do is turn the pages for normal scanning. During the scanning process, you can see a rough preview of the scanning results via the thumbnail list on the left. Double-click the thumbnail to view the picture directly. After scanning, you can apply the flattening function by looking at the outline grid. As shown in the figure, the software will automatically recognize the 7 lines at the edge and middle of the book and use these lines as a grid to complete the flattening process. If there are some slight contour recognition errors, you can also adjust the contour lines manually to improve the flattening effect. As long as the contour lines are recognized correctly, the flattening effect should complete with success. The most important thing is to review the previous 4 details. With some attention to detail, you will have a flawless scanning experience. Hope this video helps, and we look forward to you scanning all your favorite books. Thanks for watching.